Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Zen device to your Nintendo Switch. This powerful adapter lets you use a variety of controllers on your console, significantly enhancing your gaming experience. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to getting your favorite games configured. Get ready to unlock new possibilities with your current gaming gear, as this guide makes advanced setups simple and easy to follow for everyone. To begin, gather your essential components for a smooth setup. You will need your Cronus Zen device, along with a high-quality USB-C data cable. Also, prepare a standard USB to micro USB cable, crucial for powering and programming. Of course, have your Nintendo Switch console ready, preferably docked or connected to a power source. Ensuring you have these items upfront saves you time and frustration during the process, making connection straightforward. First, you must connect your Zen device to a personal computer using the micro USB cable provided. Next, visit the official Cronus Max website to download and install the Zen Studio software onto your computer. This software is vital for managing your device and game packs. Once installed, launch Zen Studio and update your Zen device's firmware to the very latest version. Keeping your firmware current guarantees optimal performance and full compatibility with your Nintendo Switch console, preventing common issues. Now, let's connect the Zen directly to your Nintendo Switch. Take your USB-C data cable and plug one end into the Zen's A3 USB port, then connect the other end to your Switch dock or console. Next, plug your preferred controller, like a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X controller, into the Zen's A2 port. Remember to enable Pro Controller wired communication within your Switch's system settings. The Zen's LED display should show a capital N, confirming it is in Nintendo Switch mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.